In this video, I'm going to discuss mean value theorem, or we call it as Lagrange's mean value theorem. So, Lagrange's mean value theorem exists when Rolle's theorem failed. You know the statement of the Rolle's theorem. F is continuous in the closed interval AB, and F is differentiable in the open interval AB, and if f of A is equal to f of B, then there exists C belongs to the open interval AB such that f dash of C is equal to 0. So this is the statement of the Rolle's theorem. If any one of the conditions fails, then if f of A is not equal to f of B, then there exists Lagrange's mean value theorem. So if the third condition of Rolle's theorem failed, so one can think of Lagrange's mean value theorem when f of A is not equal to f of B. So clearly we can observe from the figure see here the function is continuous. This is y is equal to f of x. The function is continuous in the interval AB. The function is smooth, means the derivative exists in the open interval a comma b. But third condition of Rolle's theorem fails. Here f of A, this point, this is f of B. But here f of A is not equal to f of B. So yes, the function is okay. Let us move to the statement of the Lagrange's mean value theorem. The function is continuous in the closed interval AB, differentiable on the open interval AB. Then there exists at least one point C in AB such that f dash of C is equal to f of B minus f of A by B minus A. Suppose if f of B is equal to f of A, f dash of C goes to 0, so that leads to the Rolle's theorem. But here f of A is not equal to f of B. Let us move to the proof of the theorem. Okay, we'll have the function, continuous function and differential function f of x, and draw the secant. You know how to draw the secant? For the curve you should take the secant, or chord we can write. Chord is the thing but secant. You know tangent is always touches the unique point of the curve here, that is called tangent. This is a tangent, I think. Tangent always touches the point of the curve. Secant is a chord, touches the endpoints of the curve, two endpoints of the curve. Let's see. Let us draw the secant through the points a comma f of A and b comma f of b. The 2-point form of the equation of secant is, you know, in 2 points, you know, this is x1 y1 and x2 y2. You know the equation of line, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. So this is the 2-point form of equation of line. So you can write the equation of line or secant is g of x minus f of a by x minus a, like this you can write, is equal to f of b. One can write like this: g of x here using 2-point form of equation of line for the secant line, we can write g of x minus f of a by x minus a is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. So this can be written as equation 1.44. The difference h of x between the height of the graph f and height of the secant line g. So this is the difference between the height of the graph f and height of the graph secant line. So this is called h of x. So h of x we can define f of x minus g of x. F of x as it is written minus, g of x we defined, it is a secant line, that is equation 1.44, that can be written as f of a plus f of b minus f of a by b minus a into x minus a. But since f of x is a, according to the statement of the Mendel theorem, is a continuous function in the closed interval ab and differentiable in the open interval ab, and secant is a line, so line is always continuous in the interval ab and differentiable in the interval ab. So therefore f of x and g of x are continuous and differentiable in the open interval ab. So we can conclude that h of x is also a continuous. H of x is also a continuous. This height is also continuous in the closed interval AB, and derivative h of x continuous and differentiable in the open interval AB. Also that h of a is equal to 0 and h of b is also 0. So therefore h of x, function h of x satisfies all the conditions of Rolle's theorem in the interval AB. Therefore there exists at least c in open interval AB such that h dash of c is equal to 0. To prove the Mendel theorem, we are using the Rolle's theorem for the function h of x. Now differentiating the function h of x is here, equation 1.45. If you differentiate, h of x becomes h dash of x is equal to f of x differentiate f dash of x minus f of b minus f of a into b minus a is constant into x minus a differentiate 1. You take x is equal to c, h dash of c is equal to f dash of c, wherever x you take c, minus f of b minus f of a by b minus a. You know the condition of Rolle's theorem, h dash of c is equal to 0. If h dash of c is equal to 0, so this becomes 0. Therefore f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. So this is the mean value theorem statement. Now let us move to the problems. Verify the mean value theorem for the function f of x equal to cos square x in the interval 0 to pi by 2. So you know the conditions of mean value theorem. So function must be continuous and must be differentiable. Then there exists at least one point c in between the given interval such that f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. So one can find out c using this formula. Let us verify the Minimal theorem for the function f of x is equal to cos square x. F of x is cos square x. The function is continuous because cos square x is continuous in the interval 0 to pi by 2. You know the cos x curve like this, you can write like this. So the function is continuous. Cos square x is also continuous in interval 0 to pi by 2. And the derivative f dash of x equal to minus 2 cos x into sin x, that is minus sin 2x. And derivative exists for all the values between the interval open interval 0 to pi by 2. So the conditions of mean value theorems are verified or satisfied for the interval 0 comma pi by 2. Here a is equal to 0 and b is equal to pi by 2. Hence by the mean value theorem there exists c belongs to the interval 0 to pi by 2 such that f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a, where a is equal to 0 and b is equal to pi by 2. This implies this is equal to f of pi by 2 minus f of 0 by pi by 2 minus 0. You know f of pi by 2, f of pi by 2, that is equal to cos pi by 2, that is 0. You know f of 0, cos 0 is 1. So f dash of c, f dash of x equal to minus sin 2x. When x equal to c, minus sin 2c are written. F of pi by 2 is 0, which are written. F of 0 is 1, minus 1 by pi by 2 minus 0. B is pi by 2 and a is 0. So this implies 2c is equal to 2 by pi and 2c is equal to sin inverse of 2 by pi. So c is equal to 1 by 2 into sin inverse of 2 by pi. So this approximately this value is 0.345. So 0.345 less than pi by 2, 0 and pi by 2. So this value belongs to the open interval 0 comma pi by 2. So hence mean value theorem is verified for the function f of x equal to cos square x. Let us take second example. Find the point C of the mean value theorem for the function f of x equal to x square plus 2x minus 1 in the interval 0 comma 1. So let us verify the mean value theorem. You know the conditions of mean value theorem. The function must be continuous in the closed interval given interval, closed interval, and the differentiable in the given open interval. Then there exists at least one point C between the open interval, given open interval, such that f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Anyway, the given function is a polynomial function. It is a continuous in the interval 0 comma 1, and derivative exists. F dash of x equal to 2x plus 2 exists for all the values in the interval 0 comma 1. So the function is, the conditions of the mean value theorems are satisfied by the given function f with a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1. So then there exists at least one point C in between the interval 0 comma 1 such that f dash of c is equal to f of 1 minus f of 0 by 1 minus 0. F dash of x equal to 2x plus 2 when x equal to c, 2c plus 2. F of 1 is 2, f of 0 is minus 1, minus 1 plus 1 by b is 1 and a is 0, 1 minus 0. So this implies 2c is equal to 1, c is equal to half. So half lies between the interval 0 comma 1. Therefore anyway mean value theorem is verified and c is half. So that value is between the interval 0 comma 1. So now let us stop. So rest of the problems we can do it